As you guys can see, this is the highest place in Kaohsiung. This is called, as you guys can see, the tower Kaohsiung. This is the Doordarshan tower. We are just heading towards this beautiful park. Here's the stairs, the parking zone or Innova. It's parked over here. That's great. Now I'm just heading towards the park, and this is the Kaohsiung tower, the so-called famous tower that is in. Oh, that's great. Huh? We can see the heaven over. It's great. That's great. This is the highest place, huh? Wow. We're feeling super excited to be in this beautiful place. Oh, dinosaur.
Yeah,
Is it alive?
real dancer.
We are hunting for dinosaur. We've got it. Finally, we've got to the place. Oh my god, a lot of Triceratops, T-Rex. This is the place. Such a beautiful place. This is the Kaohsiung. Eagles. I don't know exactly. I don't know the name of this park, but this is the place where we're just really looking forward to, and this is called One Eagles Park. Maybe we can see the complete view. As you can see, some of the dinosaurs over here. And if you guys want to come here, don't miss this place. If you come to Kaohsiung, don't just miss this place. You're gonna miss a lot of things then. Okay, as you can see the whole place. I'm gonna capture this so that I can watch this video right in my home. And this is the watchtower. If you really want to have a good experience of windy atmosphere, so you can get over there. There's my friend, this T-Rex, the T-Rex. They are the living angels. They're taking photographs. Living angels. They've come with us. Don't know. They are looking for something maybe. Okay. And this is the dangerous place. A lot of people are there. Wow. Let me take a glance with my naked eyes. Such a great place. You guys don't miss out if you just come here. Come and capture this video. Wow. That's great. To giraffe. I can see a children park over there. I mean, those people who are below 10 years old, they're allowed to get inside. Wow, as you guys can see, jaguar. That's great. Wow, the best place in Kaohsiung. If you really want to visit Kaohsiung, so you guys don't miss out this place. Otherwise, your whole trip will just go west. Okay, I don't know what is written over here. I don't know. I don't have time to read out these letters. I don't know. Wow, there's a dagger at the top of the tomb. Everyone, I'm just showing you the most beautiful park in Kaohsiung. That is called Eagles Park. Most probably, I don't know the name exactly. I need to read it out, but that is not my purpose. I'm just helping you to take a glance at this beautiful, amazing park that is at the top hill of Kaohsiung. Okay. You can see the T-Rex. You can see another Triceratops. Just let me help you to take a closer look at the flowers. Yes, that's looking great. A lot of people just coming here to take photographs. Yeah, they are my team. So if you people want to come to Kaohsiung, don't just meet out this place. This small vlog. I hope it will help you to understand and to look around inside the park. I'm just heading towards this watchtower. I'm getting up there. Yes. Give me. You're just walking like catwalk. Wow. So there with my camera. So guys, I'm just helping you to take an aerial view of this beautiful Eagles Park that is in Kaohsiung. This is the highest place, and my team is heading forward to this. Hello, watch out! Wow, this is the T-Rex, and I can help you guys to take a very beautiful crystal clean 4K view through my lens. Wow, And if you people come to Karshiang, so never miss out this amazing place. Okay, this is the most beautiful place in Karshiang, and this is the tower which we just talk about. We used to talk about when we were children. Wow, that's great. The aerial view. A lot of people. My team is coming forward one by one like Katrina Kite. They're all doing catwalk. Yes. Be careful. Oh, you are. Okay, no problem. Be in the frame. Come on. Get on, get on. United we stand, divided. Be careful. Where is my team actually? বলো তোমরা বাংলায় বলো কেমন লাগছে? Are you getting oxygen over here?
Yes.
Okay. Are you feeling hungry?
Yes.
A little bit. কোথায় গেল ওরা? And this is the famous lady called Binny. Everybody is very I mean passionately in love with her. Okay.
Thank you.
And
Everyone.
our heroine missing. Yes, she is back.
Hi.
Okay. Are you feeling hungry?
Little bit.
Little bit. Okay, fine. We have come to our destination. Let's feel the air. Okay, now eat oxygen. And this is the highest place in Karshiang. We're just standing in the watchtower. That is like it makes us feel like we're in Burj Khalifa. Yes. I'm going to zoom in for you guys to take a clear glance of the downhill. Yes. Great. I made your day successful because you were not here, but still you can see it.